We are here in Fukuoka. Alam nyo na to, we love Japan so much and we've been here a lot of times. But this is our first time here in Fukuoka. And we are very fortunate enough that JNTO invited us for this trip. So we're very excited. Going to stay here for 6 days. And of course, isi-share ko sa inyo lahat, itinerary, saan kami kakain, anong gagawin namin. So keep on watching! First stop natin is Team Lab, right? Team Lab. Para sulit na sulit natin yung araw natin, kailangan pagkalapag na pagkalapag, may activity na tayo agad. We are finally here. Our first stop, Team Lab, Forest.
I caught a fish. Cool.
So if you want a souvenir, you can get your sketch like printed out. Show mine, sabi ni Miguel. Proud na proud siya sa artwork niya. So pwedeng full shirt, pwedeng tote bag, pwedeng handkerchief. So after Team Lab, we are finally here at our hotel. It's time to check in. This is Nishitetsu Hotel in Hakata. Nakapag-check-in na tayo, so it's time to do a quick room tour. Super nice ng room namin, in fairness. Unahin na lang natin tong restroom. Very spacious, in fairness. Of course, meron tayong smart toilet dito as usual. Everything you need naman is here. And then we have a small bathtub and shower area. And then for our bed, we have 2 twin beds. And then we also have a small ref, water, and water heater. After mag-check-in, dito tayo sa Nakasu food stalls to eat random Japanese food for dinner. Ito yung mga stalls. Pili na lang kayo kung saan kayo kakain. First time namin makakakain sa food stall. Medyo masikip, but this is the authentic Japanese way. Grabe guys, sobrang dami.
Nakaka-overwhelm.
Nakaka-overwhelm. We're going to try their local beer. It's good. I like it. Gyoza.
Patry nga ako. It's good?
Good. So this is called Mentai Go. Meron siyang fish roe and eggs. So it's also a Fukuoka local specialty.
Sarap.
Super malasa siya. Chicken skin. Yum. Ito daw, parang beef brisket.
Ay.
So this place is called Nakasu Christmas Market. And ang cute guys kasi ayan, may mga hot wine and drinks kasi malamig dito sa labas. And there's also a boat house here where you can ride a boat dun sa river. Sobrang nagugustuhan namin dito sa Fukuoka. It's very, very chill. As in, ang saya lang maglakad-lakad, very laid back. So umiikot-ikot na kami ni Miguel. And we saw this. So this is what Fukuoka looks like during November, December. Super nice, very festive. Even mga trees nila, ayan o, may mga Christmas lights. morning guys. Day 2 here in Fukuoka. Lilipat tayo ng hotel for a night. So malayo yung pupuntahan natin today and we need to stay in that location para masulit natin yung lugar. So our stop for today is Takeo City. Today we are going to experience a private onsen. I'm very excited. Pero before that, syempre ikot-ikot din tayo sa city. That is 1 hour and 40 minutes. So pwede tayong matulog sa sasakyan. So this is Takeo Onsen area. So this is very historical. This has been around for 1,000 years. So this is a public bath and parang museum na rin siya. Itong area na to is actually not in Fukuoka. So this is a different prefecture. This is Saga Prefecture. Takeo City is in Saga Prefecture. This one is a public bath and it's only 500 yen and you can stay the entire day. No time limit. This one used to be a public onsen as well, pero now it's a museum and unfortunately we didn't get the permission to shoot inside, so I can't show you. So ito yung Takeo City tourist spots. So marami naman kayong pwedeng puntahan dito, hindi lang yung onsen, pero I think yun yung isa sa pinaka-main talaga na pinupuntahan. A lot of other tourist spots here in Takeo City. Our second stop, Takeo City Library. Mukhang pinupuntahan talaga dito kasi nakalagay dito, thank you for over 10 million visitors. So,
Babasa muna kami.
yes, added knowledge. So this is what the library looks like. Sobrang daming books. How I wish we have libraries like this in the Philippines. Super nice. This is free, like for everyone. So sabi nila guys, ano to? For couples, nag-holding hands na 3. So nag-offer kami ng pera and then merong parang a bit ritual for a good marriage daw. So since kakasal kami next year, gagawin natin. Okay, bow thrice. 1, 2, 3. Clap 3 times.
1, 2, 3.
Wish. Please, happy marriage, please.
Left hand first. Wash out one hand. Also to cleanse the handle.
Oh, so that's the proper way to cleanse.
To cleanse before we enter the shrine.
Ang ganda ng shrine na to. May mga yellow and orange and red leaves pa. Dito sa shrine, merong sobrang laking tree. So this is a camphor tree and this is number 6 na biggest tree all around Japan. Majestic niyang tignan. We are here at Shoya Restaurant. So dito lang siya malapit, as in walking distance lang siya sa library. This is our lunch. Tempura. And syempre set yung kinuha natin. So meron tayong soup, egg, salad. Itadakimasu. This is our next stop. Currently here at Mifuneyama Garden. Yung ibang leaves nalagas na kasi pa-winter na. But usually during autumn, super daming leaves yan, like orange, red. We're very lucky na medyo may konti-konti pa, as you can see. They also have a tea house here where you can purchase a dango set. So meron siyang mochi and then you have hot tea. So mochi and then hot tea for 500 yen. Our last stop for today is our hotel, of course. This is Oreshino Wadaya. And we're very excited for this hotel kasi meron kaming private onsen. This is probably like one of the best hotels or hotel rooms na may experience natin. Because this is like the ultimate like Japanese experience, authentic Japanese experience. So let me show you a quick room tour. So this area, actually they will remove this later and then they will put a bed. But this is the best part. We have our own private onsen. So let me show you. Guys. Wow. Like, ang ganda. Here in Japan, it's very common to do an onsen. And meron sila actually public onsen din. So if you don't get a private room, you can just go to the public onsen. Pakita ko rin sa inyo yung restroom. We also have a very authentic bathtub. Nakahoy talaga. This is the shower area. So we're just going to prepare. Mag-onsen na tayo. We are done with our onsen experience and sa una nakaka-ano lang na sobrang init ng tubig pero ang sarap ng feeling na malamig.
Sinigang.
Oh, ang cute pa. Meron silang mga ganto. And you can wear this sa buong hotel. So this is allowed. This outfit is allowed. And meron na silang provided na slippers.
Hindi na kami marunong magtali.
Oo,
So, kung ano-ano lang yung pinagagawa namin. Sarap tayo ma-judge sa labas mamaya.
Sana. Sobrang fancy ng dinner natin. Is it good?
With tea flavor. Tea flavor.
Ooh,
Strong.
that's strong. I think this is duck. And then let's dip it sa miso.
Double. The miso is like ginger.
Is it done?
So it's called a kaiseki, traditional course meal in Japanese. Guys, by the way, if pupunta kayo sa onsen or what, like the robe should be left over right. So yung right yung nasa loob. Kasi daw, pag right over left, that's for funeral. So that's very important with Japanese culture. So hindi namin alam yon, nalaman lang namin now. So inayos namin. Ito may puffer fish, may crab, and may some sort of fish. Parang sardinas.
Yeah, masarap.
We have some sashimi, so flounder and strip jack. So let's try the flounder. So good. So this is Saga beef, also a famous beef daw. Kasi sa atin, we only know Kobe beef. But for Japanese people, Saga beef is also very well known. Let's try. Really good. Baba, good
Good
morning.
morning! Ohayo gozaimasu!
Wow, sobrang energetic. Ang dami naming rest last night. Kasi after dinner, nag-onsen lang kami konti and then we went to sleep. By the way, nalaman din namin kahapon na the best way pala to do your onsen is to take a bath first and then mag-onsen para yung minerals daw magstay sa skin. It's time to check out and say goodbye to our private onsen. And mag-check-in ulit tayo dun sa unang hotel natin. So right now, we are just preparing our stuff and then we're about to eat breakfast. Thank you. Thank you. Potato salad.
Healthy daw yung seaweed, sabi ni Erica. So we eat it first thing in the morning.
So our first stop is Yotoko Inari Shrine. Ngayon ko lang nalaman na Inari Shrine pala is for business, wealth, prosperity. For us, since may mga business tayo and syempre we want prosperity and abundance. Sobrang ganda. May nasa mountain siya. Finally, nandito na kami sa taas. Hiningal. Andito tayo sa Cafe Brew. So, the Cafe Brew, where we are right now, meron silang boutique hotel. So today we have a pasta set. So we're going to eat and then they also have drinks like coffee, tea. Our first dish, salad.
Fresh.
Tastes very fresh. Next is this soup. So para daw siyang ibang klaseng radish, so like a small radish. Meron siyang foie gras. Perfect balance. So good. Next is pasta, and then we have freshly baked bread.
Sama si Kim para full force tayo.
Sarap ng bread. Super good. So yung kanina is saga beef. This one naman is creamy mushroom pasta. Sa amin ni Miguel, we decided kasi to half-half. But usually like one pasta lang yung ibibigay sa'yo. Nakasama dun sa set. Pero sa amin, like we half para we can taste both. I think mas gusto ko to kaysa dun sa isa.
Ang lasa nito.
And now for dessert, it smells really good. Meron siyang whipped cream. It's crispy on the outside and like soft on the inside. Oishi desu.
Wow.
So we are back in Fukuoka and this is our next stop, Canal City. So sikat na mall dito sa Fukuoka. So ganito yung itsura dito sa loob. Super nice. And we're just waiting for the fountain show. Starts at 4 p.m. Guys, natuwa kami.
Nakakatuwa siya.
So if you are coming to Fukuoka, just come to the Canal City Mall. Every 4 p.m., just wait for the fountain show. So let's do a bit of shopping. Let's go. Our last stop, this is the Hakata Christmas Market. Super duper nice. And they also have a huge Christmas tree. Ang dami ring mga stores. This is located sa JR Hakata. And as you can see, we have a huge Christmas tree and cute ng mga nakasabit na mga parang stars. And ayan, nakapalibot is mga stores and mga kainan. It's also a nice place to visit if you're coming to Fukuoka. Look at this, it's so cute. How much for this one? 2,200 yen. It's so cute. They're also selling like Christmas ornaments. Sobrang cute. Ay, oh my God, parang gusto ko to. Ang cute. Feel na feel ang Christmas vibe.